Hi everyone. I decided to create this tutorial to help you how to put your MP3 by folder on your Mazda 6. On my case, I bought a Mazda 6 from 2014. And at the beginning, I had several problems to put my MP3 organized by folders. And I often see people asking the same, and that's the idea, is to help you. So, if you, for this test, I just created two MP3 folders with just one file inside. Okay. What you need to make it work, you need the S playlist maker that you will open. You need these three here on. I'm going to remove it and I put them back again. As you can see, these three, they must be on to work perfectly. After that, you put this on the side. You take the, for example, the folder where you have your MP3 and you throw it inside of the program as playlist maker. You do the same with the other ones that you have. For this case, as I said, this is just a test, so I just created these two to show you. So you will notice that when you get on the folder, when you get in, you will have an extra file, this M3U file. Okay, so this is the playlist that was created. Okay, so here it's done. You also notice that when you create a playlist, here down below you can see done, one playlist created. So every time you create one playlist, that information appears. Okay. After that, all you need to do is quite simple. You just need to copy, okay, and paste these folders already with the M3U file and send it to the USB key that you are going to use on your Mazda. I hope this helps. Leave a comment if you like, and also if you have any question. Thank you.